Next is division of rational numbers. Suppose we have to divide p by q, r by s. To do so, to divide p by q with r by s, first we p by q, we change the division sign into multiplying, and reciprocal of r by s is s by r. So p into s, q into r. For example, 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 5, so it is 2 by 3 into 5 by 1, that is 5 to the 10 by 3, that is 3 1 by 3. Now come to example. Example number 10 is find the value of. Find the value of 4 by 9 divided by minus 5 by 7. Now 4 by 9 into minus 7 by 5. Reciprocal of 5 by 7 is 7 by 5. Now minus 28 on 45. Second part is minus 5 by 6 divided by minus 2 by 3, that is minus 5 by 6 into minus 3 by 2, 3 to the 6, 3 cancel it. Now minus 1 into 5 is 5 by 4, that is 1 1 by 4. Third part is minus 1 6 by 7 divided by minus 7. Minus 7 means minus 7 upon 1. So first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Minus 13 by 7 into minus 1 by 7, that is 13. Minus 13 into minus 1 is 13 upon 49. Now come to example number 11. Yes, example number 11 is the product of two rational number is product of two rational number is minus 9 by 16 if the one number is if one of the number is 3 by 14, find the other number. Find the other number. Let the number is equal to x. Now 3 by 14 into x is equal to 9 by 16, because these two numbers multiply, we get 9 by 16, minus 9 by 16. Therefore x is equal to, when it goes there, it divided by 3 by, because it is in product, 3 by 14. Now x is equal to minus 9 by 16 into 14 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 by 14 is by 3. Now 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 3 3 is 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now minus 21 by 8. Now mixed fraction 9 18 to the 16, 5 by 8. Now example number 12. Example number 12, find the value of minus 4 by 7 divided by 8 by minus 17, minus 27, sorry, into 3 by minus 4. So minus 4 by 7 into 20 minus 27 by 8. First we have to solve this bracket, into minus 3 by 4. 4 2s are 8. Now minus 1 minus 20 minus 1 into 27 is 27 by 14 into minus 3 by 4. That is equal to, no cutting is there, minus 3 by 4. No, minus 71 upon 56. This is first part. So second part is find the value of this is 81. Second part is 2 by 5 minus 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Second part is 2 by 5 minus 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So first we have to solve the bracket. 45 is the LCM. 18 minus 25 divided by 12 LCM. 4 minus 3, that is minus 7 by 45 divided by 1 by 12. That is further equal minus 7 by 45 into 12 by 1. Now it is 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, minus 28 by 15, that is minus 1, 13 by 15. Thank you. Now exercise 3.3 is your homework.